guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to share with you a delicious brownie recipe. It is a cookie dough Oreo brownie situation. I love me a brownie. This is the thing though. At this time of year, okay, it's sort of like it's an in-between time for baking, for cooking in general. So it's a lot of comfort food because that's pretty much the most exciting thing that happens between January and April. So we're doing a lot of brownies. We're doing a lot of indulgent comfort foods. But very soon we're gonna have all the berries and all the colors and all the light fare. So while we are in these few months, we are going to indulge. And I can't think of a better way than with this brownie recipe. It is very, very, very easy. We're gonna make the cookie dough. First of all, I have the oven preheated to 350, 9 by 13 inch pan ready. Let's make the cookie dough. Super simple. You need butter, regular sugar, and brown sugar. And I'm going to go ahead and cream this up. Now, for the brownie, I bought a brownie mix and I mixed it according to package directions. It's easy, and sometimes I just feel like going that route. I think it's always better to even keep some on hand if you can find them for sale, just because it makes things really quick and easy. But if you want to make a homemade brownie layer, then I have about 176,000 brownie recipes on laurinthekitchen.com that you can use for a base. But hey, transparency reasons, it's cheap, and when you layer everything really well, it makes a phenomenal brownie situation. So I'm going to just go ahead and cream these together. I'm going to go ahead and add some eggs. These are our beautiful eggs from our backyard. I got to take the shell out though because I just got some in there. There we go. And a good splash of vanilla as well. And then you're just going to cream them together again until creamy and well combined. Very easy, very simple. I think if you're gonna take some help from the store, take help in buying your brownie mix and then make it according to package directions, but make your own cookie dough, because I just don't think store-bought cookie dough tastes the same as homemade cookie dough. So if I'm gonna be spending the time, I'm gonna spend it on the homemade cookie dough layer. But hey, if you wanna buy a cookie dough at the store so that you really don't have to do a lot of work, you do you, boo. And then at this point, I just switched to a spatula because it's much easier. So what I've got in here is all-purpose flour, a little bit of baking soda, and some salt. And then we're gonna add some chocolate chips. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this all together using a spatula. Just add your cookie dough to your prepared pan. And now you're gonna have to press this in, and it's really sticky, obviously. So what I find really easy is that if you have a little bowl with some flour to flour your hands, it will keep the cookie dough from sticking too much. You see? Just kind of like go back into the flour when you need to, and then just sort of keep doing it until you have a thin layer of cookie dough. Then you're just gonna double whammy on the cookie layer here with a layer of Oreos. Okay, and then you just take the brownie batter and you just kind of pour this all over the top, and you do your best to kind of put it, make it even, and then you just sort of spread it around when you're done pouring it in. This is so good. This is so perfect for like a birthday party or something. If you want to do like one special treat, phenomenal. Let's get it all out of there. Don't make yourself crazy if little places are peeking through, because it's all going to even out in the oven. I'm just going to wash my hands, and I'm going to pop these into a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Just want to make sure that the brownie layer is fully cooked through. Then you let them cook completely. Then we slice and we serve, and I am excited. All right, so brownies were in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now, something that I wanted to mention that I didn't, the time this takes to bake will vary depending on the brownie mix that you're using. So for what I used today, it took about 40 minutes, like 35-ish minutes, but if your brownie mix says that it'll take about 25 minutes for a 9 by 13, then that's how long you're gonna wanna cook it for. So that's what I did. I just cooked it according to what my instructions told me. Let me show you. Okay, let me see if you can see an Oreo. There it is. I'm trying to get you to see an Oreo. Wow, I cut them like perfectly. Each one has an Oreo. There it is. You can see it in there. You've got your cookie. You've got your Oreo. You've got your brownie batter around. I mean, it is, oh, there it is. It's even better shot. Wow. The trifecta of that, phenomenal. Love that. This is gonna sound crazy. It's not too sweet. Obviously it's sweet, but you can taste each layer, which is important. Do you know what I mean? Otherwise, why bother? That is phenomenal. Go to LauraInTheKitchen.com. You know I have to go in there in the middle. That's what I do. Got the recipe. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.